All right, this is KaotiK Crypto, where we defy tyranny. Here's what we got going on. We're still waiting on the Fed coming out with their news tomorrow, and I was saying yesterday, I really think they're going to jawbone pretty hard, bearish. They're going to try to cool these markets off. They're going to raise the interest rates. They might even say they're going to raise them more. They want to scare the markets. And I think a lot of they're going to try to do that through multiple tactics. For one, Gary Gensler trying to appeal this XRP ruling. It's just going to be a continuation of FUD probably for the next 6 months to a year until the halving, and then they'll start inversing that and trying to get real bullish. But we still have a little bit more psyop kind of thing going on. They want to suppress the markets, and they just want to cool the markets down because markets rally and create inflation. So there's that, and there's too much exuberance in the markets. But here we're looking at the total market cap. We're still above the 200-week moving average. That's kind of like my line in the sand. It's possible that we wick below it. Tomorrow is going to be interesting, but I really think we're probably going to get a pull back. But maybe not. It's just kind of I would say 60% chance we go down and 40% chance we go up. But it all is what it is. The reason I think it's going to go down, I was saying yesterday as well, is because we're looking at the full market. S&P 500, the NASDAQ. I mean, look at these things. They've just rallied far too hard without any kind of correction. So I think minimally you're probably going to pull back 0.618 right here, 4.3K. I mean, it's possibly come all the way down to the 200-week moving average over the next few months. And that would extrapolate to around 4K. It'd be ugly. I mean, honestly, if you look at it, it'd probably be some kind of line like here. You'd come down over the next few months, and this would come up. So it's hard to say exactly how it will go, but that's more than likely what's going to happen. But we are holding support at previous resistance, so that is positive with Bitcoin. And the 200-week moving average is around 27. So yeah, I mean, a test of that would be kind of expected, right? So yeah. Now, there is another moving average that a lot of people use. I'm kind of curious where it's at. I haven't checked it out in a while, but let's take a look at it. Take the length, 21, it's 21 week, see where it's at. And this is interesting, actually. So 21-week moving average in the 2017 bull run was extremely important. Extremely. It wasn't so important in the 2018, 2019 bear market. That was such a very tumultuous bear market. It just wasn't very great. I mean, it did hold support at the beginning before everything really started taking off. And it held mild support. Really, it didn't hold very good support in the last bull bear market. But if you take it down, go down to 2015, it was a charm. For people doing technical analysis, they had a ball with that. I mean, you probably wouldn't have noticed that it was doing it until Bitcoin was at maybe at 1,000. You definitely would have seen it at 1,800. But if you're in chart analysis, you would have noticed this early on. The 21-week moving average held. So now, will this be something like the 2015 bear market? I think so. It's what's happened, and also like it held resistance in the bear market when we were below it. So once we gained it, we have held it. So let's see where it's at. It's currently at 27.5. So 27K, a little wick there. That would be normal. And also that would be expected, being that would be our previous support lines during the bull market. So if we want a new bull market, we need to hold this line. If we go below this line, that would be kind of bad. I mean, sparring a black swan of some kind, which could happen. Things are looking better. So I'm still skeptical. I was really skeptical yesterday when I saw the stock markets looking the way they were. I was getting a little bit worried. Apologies if it was a little bit too worrisome. Also, I apologize for this shirt. I'm just trying to be cool and party like a parrot head. So I don't know, trying to do something different. Anyways, please hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it. I know I have been MIA for the last couple weeks, but there wasn't a whole lot going on, so I apologize for that. All right, let's take a look and see, what do we want to look at? All right, so open interest is still kind of hot. So like I think a washout down to 27K would be good. I'm still kind of on board with that. The big mover is Dogecoin because of Elon and the rebranding of Twitter, which is a pretty good move, I think. XDC network, which kind of has been moving with XRP, I think that's a good mover. Theta, I think, is it's a use case with streaming platforms. It's supposed to help with streaming. I think that's going to be a really good one. Some market losers, Casper, I'm not really a big fan of. Filecoin, it's a bargain right there. Polygon, probably a good move. Chainlink just getting ripped apart, and I think that's a good one to bet on. Not financial advice, of course. Fear and Greed Index is at 50. Crypto Panic, let's see what's going on. Okay. Doge pumps 10%. Elon Musk links meme coin to X. X is the new Instagram, apparently. Signaling rally, maybe. I'm still skeptical. I'm not really too sure if this is going to be a real good rally. What will the SEC do now? The SEC replicates. I don't know. I think they're just going to buy time pretty much for the next 6 months to a year to the halving. And they can't do anything about it by then. New announcement, 8 altcoins from Coinbase. Take a look at that. XRP clinches the crown as most traded altcoin. That's probably true. Again, this is a Crypto Panic. It's a pretty good little source for quick news. You can make moves on Crypto Panic. I don't think many people really chime in on this. Let's see. Altcoins are now available to users in Germany. Doesn't list what coins they are. You probably look on there. Whatever coins are probably running pretty good. Would be my guess. Also, for those that are traders, I used to use Bybit, and now I pretty much just use Femex for the trading stuff. And Femex apparently put out an email saying they're no longer doing USD pairs with pretty much all of their coins, minus what I saw Bitcoin and Ethereum. And they're closing all the trades in end of August. So and it was a really big bummer. It was like, I was down on a couple of those positions that I know I was going to hold on to like for the next 6 months to a year. I mean, it's just really kind of messed up. It's like literally going to cost me money because they're doing that. Luckily, I was kind of like break even, and I've been making good trades, but it's like kind of messed up. It's like, what if someone's down 80%? You're going to cost them that money? It's just, margin trading is just such a sketchy business. Those exchanges are sketchy. I really thought Femex was a one for the people, but that kind of really left a bad taste in my mouth. So if you're a Femex trader, you might want to look at that. I'm not too sure what to think. I'm kind of pissed off about it. Anyways, let us take a look at token metrics. All right, so bull versus the bear, 25% are bullish, 75% bearish. So we're still in a bear market. Great signal. We're kind of in a bearish kind of feel right now, no doubt. Still in accumulation. We did have some green. We had some hopium. We had some hopium for the 4th of July. I really was hoping for a bigger rally. Yesterday I was kind of explaining that. I really don't think we're going to get an exuberant style of rally. We might still, but it's looking like boring consolidation to me. It's going to be, I think the big moves have been kind of made. XRP was the big thing, and now it's going to be FUD and uncertainty for the next 3 to 6 months. I hate to say it. I really do. I hate to say it. Unless tomorrow, Powell comes out, guns blazing, everything's great and gravy, but I just don't see it. But I'd love to be wrong. I would love to be wrong. But like, this is accumulation zone. You have more time, and the more time we're not rallying, the more time you have to stack. So it's pretty good. Celsius, there seems to be some good moves. I've been really chiming in on the Fahrenheit group, and I think that company seems to have the good intentions, and I think, I think that there's a good possibility of getting your money back, maybe 100-fold. Just the problem is it won't be exactly in kind. I think it's just going to be kind of, it's just kind of rough. It's a rough situation, but I think things are looking better. Voyager still hashing their stuff out. They did 1/3 of their payouts, so that's looking better. Let's see what else we got going on. We have another minor capitulation early. I guess the address volume spiked down pretty hard, but now we're coming back up. What else do we want to look at? Yeah, I mean, with the VPVR, again, I really think the 23 to 25 case could still be a week down, and then we come back up to like maybe 27, 28, hold the 200-week moving average. If I had to think what was going to happen, something like that. Like we'll get kind of a scare in some kind of way, maybe tomorrow or the next week or two. Come down to 23, wipe out all of the stuff, and restart. I'm sorry if this being kind of negative. I'm just really being realistic. I think a lot of the hype for the summer is over. We just got to get back into grind mode. So I'll make a little thing of what I think is going to happen. What's pretty cool is I actually sort of did this a couple years ago, and I actually predicted sort of this move, but yeah, I want to go easy on this thing. So I think we've topped out. So we come on down. 25, we wick down, maybe not that strong of a wick. Come back to 27, hold the 200-week moving average. All right, so we're January 24, February, April, halving's coming up. All right, people will sell in July again. 25, February 2025, April 25, May, June, July 25, September. Probably a blow off top around the holidays. October. Oh. Damn, I had it. Let's try that again. Okay. Come down. We wick down. Come back up. 27. We hold the 200-week moving average for a while. April 2024. The halving coming up. Sell off. Go to 25, June, July. This is the bull market. We're in the bull market right here. October, November, and December, and then something like that. That was pretty bad, but like something like that, and that would take us to 100K, and it could go more. You can get more exuberant, but it's just something like that. I think makes a lot more sense. So, see what happens. That's just sort of a little bit of a prediction model. You just gotta expect some dips, the nooks and the crannies of it all. But that's it for me today. I'm gonna check out, but hang in there, keep hodling. We'll start doing some more analysis on some other altcoins. So I'm still stacking all that I can, but hang in there and hodl on. Peace.